Well, what's happening? Tubbs.
They're really, really small, so I can't see them.
Yeah, you don't have to try and read every word, lad. That's a bit harder than what you can do.
Oh, lot.
Leo.
Leo. I need a curve. Look off. Mum, I can do it.
What's she going to do?
Get him.
Who's she going to get?
Get.
Who's yeah? The cough.
Him.
The dinosaur. That would be a twist.
Oh no.
Well, what happened to her? Okay. Fair enough.
It went and he went.
He did go splash.
I don't splash it again.
All right, one more time. All right, no more splashing, please.
I'm going to do another one. Why are they going to let him catch him?
That's the plan, isn't it? She's got a master plan. Think it'll work? Shall we see?
Oh no! Oh no!
What's funny?
Wonderful. Look at my
Not Tubbs.
Mummy,
Yes.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you pressed them so hard, and
Yeah.
look what happened.
And the cough's been squished under the tissue. That's good, isn't it? Like her manners have come out. She did a burp. She didn't mind her manners.
But is he going to gobble their manners again?
Maybe, yeah.
That's what the baddie in the movie have.
Yeah, a monocle. Bad guys.
Is he a bad guy?
I don't know. Maybe. We'll have to see if there's another book.
Ah! Look!
Well, the cough's come back out.
Into fluff again.
To cough again, not fluff.